Ever wondered how Python, one of the most popular programming languages, came into existence? Its story begins in the late 1980s with Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer. Guido had a vision to develop a language that was simple to read and write. He aimed for a syntax that was clear, intuitive, and almost English-like. His mission was to make programming accessible to the masses, a tool not just for the tech-savvy, but for anyone with an idea. And so, in December 1989, Python was born, named not after the snake, but the British comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus. But how did Python evolve from its creation to the language we know and love today? Well, just 3 years after its birth, Python 1.0 was released in 1994, introducing features like Lambda, map, and filter that are still widely used today. 6 years later, Python 2.0 came along in the year 2000. This version introduced list comprehensions and a new garbage collection system, making Python even more efficient and powerful. Now let's fast forward to 2008. Python 3.0 was released as a major, backwards incompatible version. This bold move was aimed at fixing inherent design flaws from previous versions. Despite initial resistance, Python 3 has now become the standard version, with support for Python 2 officially discontinued in 2020. Quite the journey, wouldn't you say? Now you might be thinking, why Python? What makes it special? Python stands out for its simplicity and versatility. It's a language that's easy to learn, yet powerful enough to be used in various fields like web development, machine learning, and data science. Its large standard library offers a wide array of functionalities, and the strong support community is always there to lend a helping hand. In essence, Python's simplicity, versatility, and the vast possibilities it offers make it a favorite among newbies and seasoned developers alike. So what does the future hold for Python? As we see, Python is growing in areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. Its popularity is on the rise, and demand in the job market is soaring. From its humble beginnings to powering tech giants like Google and Netflix, Python's journey is nothing short of spectacular. And it's clear, Python is here to stay.